Bixby Vision Camera. Bixby Vision can provide live translations and show calories in food. Internet connection required for features to work. Yet another feature in the Samsung Galaxy S9 camera is Bixby Vision. The smart assistant was already baked into the camera app on the Galaxy S8, but this time around it's been given some extra juice. One of Bixby Vision's features is a live translation mode. Point the camera at text in a foreign language and the Galaxy S9 will translate the words into your native tongue automatically. In the demos we were shown, the feature was able to cope with different font types and sizes, and while it did take a short while to get the translation, it appeared to work well. Bixby Vision can translate a menu live. It's worth noting that you need an internet connection to use live translation, so if you are roaming abroad you'll want to keep an eye on your data usage. Something else the Bixby camera can do is tell you how many calories are in your food, although we were unable to test this feature out during our hands-on time with the phone, so we can't vouch for its accuracy. Keep an eye out for our full Samsung Galaxy S9 review where we'll put this feature to the test. Bixby Vision is also location aware, and can suggest places to go and provide information on landmarks you point the camera at, while the makeup mode allows you to harness the 8MP front-facing camera to give yourself a mini makeover.